Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sashi and I'm back with another video. So you don't know, I'm going to dolly chair, get myself dolly down as a flap girl. I have to make sure it's I fix myself. But when I ask you, you're just a anger my shot, picky head, watch nice. Anyway, you know, don't say they have to make sure so they braid them trim up on something and look well neat. And then afterwards, I don't make sure so them lay flat on something. So you know they were doing that right there. And then make sure so everything pat down. Then you go so bump pat look on the mouse pan top. Make sure so you know no frizz are not now go on from my braid them. So me also some ears she angry herself, watch need people. Anyway, this is the finished look. Make me know want to think about it. Because when I asked Christ if she angry triangle that. I love my braid, guys. It was so neat. I was pleased with her job. So let me know what you guys think in the comment. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sashi and I'm back with another video. I am at the supermarket as you guys can see. So I'm doing my last minute shopping. I am getting some snacks that I'm going to take home with me. So I'll bring you guys on the journey to see that. Alright. So I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna grab those. Alright, I'm gonna get Chinese food. I've been craving Chinese food. I'm gonna grab those. I'm gonna grab these. So these are what? $264 for 3. And you know, say I think they sell us like one for $1.50. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. What I have so far. Green one them style look different off a sudden. No man, not none of them back here. Oh yeah, I grabbed 3 of these as well. Not really a fan of the banana chips. I think these are something new, tostones. Yeah, I think those are pressed plantains. I should have been checking the expiry date. This says May 2023. I can get, let me refill Cashapp though. Can get 2 of those. And most of the stuff I don't really get 3. Because it's just me, so you know I'm not gonna eat so much stuff. None of these are my favorite, to be honest. I already have those at home. So let me see if there's anything in this aisle that I need. These are cinnamon rolls. When are these expiring? January 18. Hold on, it's auto-focusing. January 18, so I can't get those. These all says January 18, so I can't get any of these. Those expiration dates are too close. I don't think anything in this aisle that I really like that. Alright, so them biscuits here used to save my life. Remember the days forever grateful. So let me see the expiry date on them before I buy them. Alright, the 21st of June. So I could get those as well. 21st of June. These are one of my favorites. Crackers. Let's see. I remember tea biscuit. Tea biscuit get expensive though. Guys, I went last night to them something a tea biscuit. Tea biscuit get expensive. These are now $45 for one, $125. Alright, so I'm gonna get 3 small rough tops as well. Rough tops. You know what, let me bring my stuff closer because I have my bag inside. And this is Jamaica, guys. So guys, I wanted to do a lot more bags and so forth, but I've been very scared to take my phone out in public. You know Jamaica system runs. So technically this is my last shopping. So I am basically grabbing some last minute stuff. A lot of people are staring at me probably because I'm talking to the phone, but that's okay. I'm gonna get some of these as well. I'm gonna get some of these. I don't know if I should have mixed it because I haven't had these in a while, so the taste probably changed throughout the years. So I grabbed 3 of these. 3 Shirley biscuits. Can't eat them with cheese. I'm gonna come up, and then so far this is what is in the cart. I don't know if there's anything here that I want. I'm not a big fan of Milo. I already have those at home. I'm probably gonna bring some milk home. I usually bring Sarge Island milk. So I might take some milk home, or I might take some supplements instead. Let's see. I'm trying not to buy a lot of stuff because I don't know if I have enough space. Alright, so the supplement name they're right here. So 333 milliliter. There's no price for the box one though. I don't understand. Okay, so I guess they are the same price, the plus 3. So the 290 milliliter is 173 each, and I can't see how much the box ones are. The box one is 250 milliliter. And there's no price for the box supplements, so I have no idea how much those are. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring 3 of the box ones. So ensure back road, y'all, with the end. Alright, so I already have ensure at home. I don't need to bring stuff like that. I could get Irish mash overseas too, so I'm not even gonna buy those, even though it's a lot more expensive. So basically this aisle is almost done. For sure, for certain, I'm gonna take some better pack curries home. I actually like these, so I think I'm gonna buy 3 more of these. Milk, Monster milk. So these are, yeah, I'm gonna try a strawberry one. I tried the vanilla, I like the vanilla, and then I'm gonna probably try another one. I think I have a creamy malt one to try. I'm gonna try, I don't like chocolate, but I'm gonna try the chocolate too. So I'm considering if I should buy some of these cock soup. It says 3 for $265, and I think one of these are like $1 something, so I guess I'm getting the price for 3. I'm buying one overseas for 3 based on the price that it's selling for here, but I don't know. Alright, so I was looking forward for the better pack curry, but I don't see any better pack curry. So I'm probably gonna have a substitute. Let me see, these are for what? $9.65. Basically I paid what, $11 for the bigger one. So it's not a year idea, $2,100. I'll get those stuff overseas. Okay, so onto my favorite spot right now, on the fake grey sausage gem that sells in America. So see the real one here, guys. If you don't know what's Shelly on it, just don't say it fake. So these are actually the real ones. Let me see the expiry date. 25. So I'm gonna get 6 of these because I love sausage. So I'm gonna get 6. I'm getting 6 sausages. Let's see if there's anything else that I need. I need a curry, guys, but I don't know how much the curry is for. Can't be for all price, you know, guys. Can't be price. Big can't be for $550. But actually, I like the Grace canned beef, you know. Alright, so this is rose and almond. I needed one of these for my porridge and so forth, so I'm gonna get one of these. I was thinking about getting a vanilla, but I already have vanillas. I already have vanilla at home, so we're getting this. Can support your food, so these are expire 2024. So 2 mackerel. I'm gonna get one regular one. Oh, but these are just regular mackerel. These are drop mackerel in tomato sauce, and the other one just a mackerel in hot sauce. So I don't even know how much of a difference it makes, but yeah. Alright guys, I'm coming at the lady back and I just a column so I don't know, I feel like that's everywhere I'm gonna see her. That's alright. I think I'm gonna end my shopping here. It's just snacks. Anything I forget, I'm gonna ask my mom to grab, or I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow and get it, or probably by the time I get home I'll figure out what it is. But for now, or for the most part, I think I have gotten everything that I needed. So I'll see you guys when I'm at the cashier. Alright guys, so I'm gonna check out now. Them actually don't sell round bun. I wanted some round bun. I already have a case of cheese, so I'm actually gonna check out right now. So I think the cashier over there is empty, so I'll go over on the other side and then check out and see how much these snacks cost. I don't think it's gonna be a lot. It should be under $5,000 based on my knowledge and the stuff that I was taking. I say security stuff I do. I never made them come for alarm food because the ladies are watch me so. But some something them there and some bag empty, my phone and something in my bag. So I'm not just being sarcastic, but I'm gonna let you guys see how much my bill comes to and see if we can live in Jamaica or not, because these are just a few snacks. I'll see you. But for me the security I wait for because I'm making no say. But I doubt it though. I think it's their company policy thing. So guys, a whole bunch of videos just got deleted, but I was considering, no, I'm not gonna leave my phone put on, I'm afraid. These are all the stuff that I have. Alright, I'm gonna need to find out from her if these are all the same prices. I have a question. Are these the same prices? This, cause they both said 400 grams. No. Alright guys, I'm grabbing one more of these. Three. One spicy one. Does it got? Is there a difference in price if they are spicy or not? Yeah. Cheap. It's so fine, I don't know, bad. I guess it's gonna be under $5,000. Let me see. So it's gonna be under 5. That past 5. Shit. Alright, make you all live in Jamaica, my love. I'm sorry. Shit. Alright, 5,200. Sorry. Here. Well, who doesn't? It's cool. We can't live down here with the price of things. Remember, I find my work. So when I there, so I now work, I spend money every day. Alright guys, so see my done shop and I am walking to the bus stop because we bring back the rental that we had because me is supposed to go in my yard already. So I walk to the bus stop and then I'm gonna get a cab and then I have to make a next stop again. So I'm not even going straight home. I'm going to stop this is our workplace and then I just have something to give and then I'm gonna chill for a minute and then I'm gonna go home. So this is $5,000 guys. Then me could I really live in Jamaica? This can't work. Can't work none at all. Yeah guys, let me know if this is expensive compared to what you guys usually pay or it's actually cheaper, and comment down below what parish you shop and what supermarket. If you're in Centre Mass guys, let me know what supermarket you shop and if there was any supermarket that was cheaper, because I thought this was gonna be under $5,000. I actually went to place that, so let me know. I'm going to say me no vlog out here because as I walk too time, I feel like somebody walk up on me too much. Me start panic. But yeah, I'm outside guys, so I'm heading home. Well, I'm gonna make a quick stop for this one. I'm heading home shortly after, and I'll see you guys. Made it to this part of the video guys. We have come to the end of the video and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below and let me know if whatever supermarket you guys attend is as expensive as this one or if this is usually cheap typically based on what you guys usually pay for snacks.